Hey, fantastic people, welcome to Winner's Hub. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the art of making girls like you without any hassle. These tips are not just simple, they're ethical, and they'll make her heart do a happy dance without her even knowing it. So, let's not waste any time and explore these relaxed ways to sweep someone off their feet. If you're not subscribing this channel, you are probably never going to see us again, but if you are, then, congratulations, you are growing up every day. Let's start from these 11 tips, and my personal favorites are Tip 5, Tip 8 and Tip 10. Tip 1, Crafting your extraordinary life. Life is like a big canvas, and guess what? You're the artist. When you want someone special to like you, think about making your life like a really cool painting. What does that mean? Well, it's not about showing off fancy stuff you have. It's more like having a life full of fun adventures and doing things that make you really happy. Imagine having a life that's exciting and interesting. Share the things you love doing, and invite that special someone to be a part of your amazing journey. It's like saying, "I really enjoy having you around." That's way more awesome than just saying, "Hey, I like you." Tip 2, Being passionate about a hobby. Have you ever noticed how some people just seem to shine when they talk about the things they love? That's because passion is like a magnet, it pulls people in. Whether it's playing a guitar, cooking up a storm in the kitchen, or doing something that makes you super excited, dive into it. Tip 3, Share your passion with others. Let that excitement show, and don't be shy about talking about what you love. It's like adding an extra layer of coolness. If your hobby lets you make something real, like a drawing or a meal, that's even more special. Being passionate not only makes you more interesting, but it also lets that special someone see a part of your world that's totally unique. Tip 4, Keeping it fresh. Good smells matter. Here's a simple truth, smelling good is important. It's not about spraying on a ton of fancy cologne. It's about being clean and fresh. Taking a nice shower, using soap, shampooing your hair, and a little deodorant, it's like a small effort that says, "Hey, I take care of myself, and I care about how I come across to others." Girls really appreciate it when someone smells clean and fresh. It shows them that you care about yourself and the people around you. So, next time you're getting ready to hang out, just remember, smelling good matters. Tip 5, Asking for tiny favors. Did you ever hear about the Benjamin Franklin effect? It's like a cool trick without being tricky. Here's the deal, when you ask for small favors, you create positive vibes. It's not about trying to be sneaky. It's more about understanding how people feel. Start with simple requests, like asking for a pen or grabbing a coffee. These things are easy, but they also create a connection. The magic part is that as she helps you out, she starts liking you more. It's like a charm that works wonders in making your connection more positive. Tip 6, Tickling the funny bone. Laughter is a fantastic thing. It's like a language everyone understands. You don't have to be a stand-up comedian to make someone laugh, but having a good sense of humor is seriously attractive. Try out some lighthearted jokes, playfully tease each other, and notice how laughter makes your bond stronger. Making her giggle not only adds joy to your time together but also makes her think you're one of the coolest people around. It's about creating a happy atmosphere that she connects with when you're around. Tip 7, Buddying up. Friendship is like the base of a big friendship and maybe more building. Being her friend is like having a backstage pass to her heart. Be there for her, do things that make her happy, and make her feel comfy. Simple things like leaving sweet notes, sending good morning texts, and just being a good listener can help you both get closer. Some people might talk about the friend zone like it's a bad thing, but really, it's like a smart move. It lets a real connection grow between you two. Tip 8, Touch and go. Breaking the touch barrier might sound a bit fancy, but it's really just about being comfortable with physical contact. You don't have to go all in with a big hug. Start with small touches, maybe during a playful game or by grabbing something from her hand. It shows that you're okay with a bit of physical contact and adds a new level to your connection. Remember, though, it's super important to pay attention to how she feels about it. If she's cool with it, great. If not, no big deal. Always keep it natural. Tip 9, spilling some beans. Secrets are like trust-building blocks. You don't have to spill out every detail, but sharing a personal secret is like saying, "Hey, I trust you with a little piece of me." It's not about sharing super secret spy stuff but about being open and letting her see the real you. Share something genuine, real, and maybe a little bit vulnerable. It makes the atmosphere honest and lets her know you're not hiding behind a mask. Trust goes both ways, and showing a bit of vulnerability encourages her to share too. Tip 10, giving her your undivided attention. In a world full of distractions, giving someone your full attention is like giving them a special gift. When you really listen, look her in the eyes, and remember what she says, it shows that you respect her and genuinely care. In a time where everyone is always connected, being fully present is like having a superpower. It's not just about hearing her words but understanding her feelings too. Being present makes her feel special and sets you apart as someone who values deep connections over just hanging out. Tip 11, boosting your confidence. Confidence isn't about being loud or showing off. It's more like feeling comfy in your own skin. Everyone has some things they might feel unsure about, and that's totally okay. Work on those things, acknowledge your awesome side, and embrace the person you are. Doing regular exercise, especially focusing on your arms, legs, and core, can really boost your overall confidence. When you feel good about yourself, that confidence becomes like a magnet. People are drawn to it. Conclusion. So, there you have it, a bunch of simple but powerful ways to make someone special like you. These aren't tricks, they're just ways to build real connections. From making your life interesting to boosting your confidence, these ideas are like building blocks for something awesome. Bonus tip, if you don't believe if these tips work, then share this video to a girl and ask her the truth. If you liked these tips, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more down-to-earth advice. Thanks for hanging out with us, and until next time, stay awesome.